Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Ash coming to you for another great short video so that you can improve the quality of your life. Today, I wanted to talk to you about why some business owners succeed and why some business owners fail. And that could go into any context. It could be in the context of why some salespeople succeed and why some salespeople fail. And that could be in the context of why certain professions, even an engineer, why there's some that are more successful than others. And there's two versions of each of those careers, if you want to call it. I'll give you an example, okay? Let's go to a business owner. A business owner that is successful has two versions of that person, and I'll give you an example. There's one business owner that is very good at the technical part of their business. Let's just take an electrical contractor, a contractor, or just any type of a contractor. Let's take a look at them, for example. A business owner that is an electrical contractor. Here, let me come over here where there's a better light. You can see me here better, okay? So a business owner that is an electrical contractor, for example, is a business owner, let's say a successful one, okay? A successful business owner understands that he has to manage the business side of the business. So there's two parts of a business owner. One is the technical side, which means he's very good at the technical part. He knows how to put sockets in. He understands the electrical, the terminology. I don't know all of it because I'm not an electrical contractor, but they understand the technical part of their job. They can fix almost any problem. If your lights go out or something in your house, you have a short, they can come in and fix that problem. They're very good at the technical part of their business. Now, there's another business owner that may not be as good as their technical part. Maybe they don't have an experience, but guess what? Their mindset and their attitude is a pleasing attitude, a positive attitude, an attitude of thinking of helping other people. They're focusing on the abundance. In other words, they're thinking big on terms of when they're helping clients. What do you mean by thinking big? Well, here's what I mean is looking at the other person when they see a client is how they can be better to help them. For example, if they have a problem in their business, in their homes, and they're not able to fix the problem, they're willing to help, even if they don't know how yet. Guess what? They try even harder because of them. It doesn't matter how many hours it takes. They want to help that other person. They show them genuine interest that they want to help that other person fix the problem. So their mindset is very positive. Their mindset is thinking in a level where they're already helping other persons. So there's a difference. The pleasing personality, asking good questions. They have good communication skills. They ask questions that get people to like them and trust them. Right? They give them information for free just to help other people out. They're not expecting any money back, right? That's the attitude of a successful electrical contractor, even though he may not have a huge thriving business yet. But guess what? Him learning a skill even to that next level, just like the previous contractor that didn't have the right mindset. He was always thinking about himself. He was thinking about how to make money for himself and just get the job done and just charging the client whatever he wants to charge. That is a different mindset. So a business owner that understands both, that is good at the technical side and that is good in the business side of the business. In other words, they even use systems. They even delegate some of their tasks. So they're not doing all the work themselves. That is a business owner who's working on the top line. He's focusing on the business side of the business and their customers, right? The people side of his business. He's not so much involved in the technical side as much as the other person. Here's why. Because he knows he can hire the expertise to do the technical part. He can focus on building a relationship with their customers. He can focus on helping the customers maybe add on more services if they need, you see? So this is how you drive more revenue, is you become a good business owner, but you become a better people person. Because a business is all about people. Think about it. A thriving business is all about helping other person get what they want. And you have to focus on, first of all, most people don't know what other person wants. So they ask the right questions. They figure that they want what they want. That's not the case. So that's why asking questions and finding out what is it that they like to accomplish? Why do they want to accomplish? And then here's a good one. What would happen if they didn't accomplish what they wanted to accomplish? The consequence situation. All of this information is designed to help you become a better communication. So I'm going to be going over to my office just to show you one of the things that I like to do is every single day is focusing on building a thriving business by becoming a better communication expert. Right now, I'm listening to one of my mentors. And one of the things you find is listening to other people that are your mentors that are the best version of you already, and you listen to them every single day and you apply it. In fact, he's telling me right now to do a video every day. Which I'm doing already, but I wanted to take this time and opportunity to put that into place. So make sure you like and subscribe to these videos, because these are short videos and they're designed to give you a better quality of life. Okay, I'll see you next time. Make it a great day.